No doubt, you've seen them, lists touting the amazing curative power of apple cider vinegar for an amazing number of ills. ACV, as it's sometimes referred to in studies, has been praised for its ability to balance your pH, increase good gut bacteria and help control your weight, as well as many other beneficial things. Here's the kicker, all those are true, and more besides. One of the most sensational is its ability to balance your blood sugar. A study one at Arizona State University tested 11 volunteers with type 2 diabetes, diagnosed by a doctor, who weren't taking insulin but continued taking their prescription medications. Each participant took 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a snack, an ounce of cheese, before bedtime. The researchers demonstrated that in the morning, the study subjects had lower blood sugar readings than when they had the same snack with 2 tablespoons of water. This is important and potentially life-changing news for half of the American population, as NBC News reports that half the country suffers from either high blood sugar or full-blown diabetes. That's a huge jump from the projection of 1 in 3 by 2050 made by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, in 2010. Worse, half that number are unaware of how compromised their health really is. 3. That wasn't an isolated fluke. The benefits of apple cider vinegar have been tested in a myriad of studies, according to CNN Health, for many different types of health issues. More studies reveal, ACV positively impacts blood sugar levels. A recent study 5 showed that 3 groups, adults with prediabetes, type 2 diabetes and healthy people, after taking an ounce of ACV, all had lower blood glucose levels when they ate a high-carb meal consisting of a white bagel with butter and a glass of orange juice. Again, compared with a placebo rather than the cider vinegar. But there's more. Those with prediabetes improved their blood glucose levels by almost half, and the subjects with type 2 diabetes cut their blood glucose levels by 25%. Just as dramatic are the studies involving ACV's potential for controlling weight. The Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry reported a study 6 on mice that were fed a high-fat diet along with the active ingredient in apple cider vinegar, acetic acid. The animal subjects ended up with 10% lower body weight than the control subjects. What this reveals, researchers assert, is that acetic acid can turn on triggered genes that initiate the enzyme's ability to break down fat, which prevents weight gain. It also helps you feel full. A study 7 in Japan conducted a similar double-blind trial on obese adults, each with a similar body weight, waist measurement and body mass index, BMI, and split the subjects into 3 groups. For 12 weeks, members of one group drank half an ounce of ACV, one group had a beverage with 1 ounce of ACV and the third group had a drink with no ACV. When the study was over, those who drank the cider vinegar had lower body weight and belly fat, smaller waist measurements and lower triglycerides compared to the others. The scientists wrote, in conclusion, daily intake of vinegar might be useful in the prevention of metabolic syndrome by reducing obesity. Apple cider vinegar's effects on cancer cells, immune support. Another thing apple cider vinegar provides is detoxification of your lymphatic system, which then helps optimize homeostatic function in your body. This may be as a result of the antioxidants in ACV reducing oxidative damage by free radicals, while improving both your blood and organs.